you just said you found us on like everywhere, which is great. That is the goal. And I'm trying to get more curly hair specialists that do it the way I do it and the way that I think about it to be easier found. That's why I made curlmaps.com. Did you come across that at all?
I think I have actually.
I like what you said about how like I was looking everywhere and I saw you on Instagram, I saw you on TikTok, I saw you on Google, I saw you on this and that and the other thing. That is the point, is to kind of be everywhere. But I was wondering, curly hair horror stories. Do you have any of those? Because I know most curly girls do.
Not really, because I didn't know I had curly hair until I was like 18.
Okay.
Like I had like poofy hair. My mom has straight hair. My dad has straight hair. The only people in my family that really do have curly hair are my cousins. So, and they don't live near us. So it's like, okay, when I went there, she kind of taught me a little bit.
Okay.
And then I had to take that by myself and do, but I had a lot of heat damage. A lot of heat damage.
Currently? Or you did?
I did before, because I used to do,
it was like kind of a routine to always be straightening it?
and I had a lot of keratin treatments and Brazilian blowouts and all of that. Because I was like, it's just poof. Like there's no form
Which was
to it.
the curl trying to happen and you just didn't know. So you were like, how do I get rid of that?
Yes.
Makes
so
sense.
I stopped doing that altogether almost 5 years ago now, I want to say.
So that's all gone.
It's completely gone, but it's just like I don't know how to take care of it curly, so my immediate response is straighten it.
Gotcha. When was the last time you actually straightened it? I make it look great with minimal effort.
Yes, because it's just a lot too. Like I like my natural hair, and a lot of people like my natural hair.
Anybody that doesn't should just be written right off.
But it's a lot to do, and I've heard that from a lot of curly hair people, but I don't know. I'm just excited to learn how to take care of it and not having to straighten it as much, because I do want to wear it natural.
I love that. But you were saying earlier too, that's kind of why you picked here, because you have found other places that suggest that they do that, but they just kind of what happens?
I don't know. It's just the way that they have their curls. I feel like you lean into the definition a lot more rather than trying to make something happen that's not happening. And I really like that, because I don't want to have to work to make it, like I told you they finger coiled my hair a lot, and I just don't think that's realistic for me, especially the back of my head. The front I could probably take care of. The back is just going to look like a mess, which there's no point in fixing the front.
Plus, how much more time does that actually take? And I don't know who has that kind of time. I get it if you're doing a photo shoot or whatever, but again, you're going to need that second pair of hands to hit you right in the back, and I don't know who has that. Cool. Well, you're in the right spot. We're definitely going to get you taken care of, but let's just go over a couple, like my ground rules. Like if your ultimate goal is to have, how healthy can I get my hair? You can get it all the way up. It won't be an issue. It's going to be stopping some things. So those blowouts, can't do it anymore. So that tells me that there is heat damage throughout this, but that's okay. In the meantime, we'll figure out how to control it easy enough. But just know that it'll only get easier as this get like how we use, what we use, and why we do it that way, to where it's like, okay, cool. This is easy enough for me. I got that. I think that's where you're the most excited.
Yes, I am.
Okay. As far as the cut goes, you wanting to go super short? Or?
No.
Jokes. I love your hair. And so, okay, that tells me right now, your ultimate goal is to have it really, really healthy, really, really easy, longer.
Yes.
Okay.
My hair does like poof up naturally.
Which
like it gets
we
like
love.
Yes, I like that.
Yeah.
But I also like the length. Like I don't want it to poof up and then it be at my shoulders, because I feel like that's kind of an awkward length for me, especially with curly hair.
Okay.
And I had long hair before. I got a haircut back in, I think, like October, and it was like pretty long. Like my curly hair was up to here.
Dang. So while it was curly, it hit all the way down.
But
here.
I also haven't gotten a haircut since I went to Jordan like 3 years ago.
Yeah.
So it was all dead.
Interesting.
So I got the haircut, and then it was shorter than this. So I was like, okay, this is a little bit of an awkward length.
Okay.
So I do prefer the length over the.
Yep. Like, over the shape.
Yes.
Okay.
But I
want you to have a mix of both.
Yes.
And I also want to knock off anything that really needs to go for you.
And I'm completely okay with that. If it needs to go shorter to be healthier,
you're okay with it. What we'll do is we'll determine right now how short we're going to